The next topic that we have to cover is financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis involves the analysis of different financial statements, just like balance sheet, statement of profit or loss, cash flow statement, etc. For a management accountant, different financial statements prepared by financial accountant are available. So he has to analyze these statements in detail so as to prepare a report or to provide information to management. The financial statement analysis, it has the following procedures. First one, he will rearrange the financial statements. The financial statement given by financial accountant, it will be rearranged in a specific manner. Secondly, comparison of statements. Different statements or different items in financial statement are to be compared. Then analysis of financial statements. The items in financial statement are analyzed in detail so as to get information. And last one, interpretation of financial statements. The management accountant will derive some conclusions from the analysis. So the financial statement analysis involves rearranging the financial statements in a way as to facilitate comparison, then second comparison, then third analysis of financial statements, and last one, interpretation of financial statements. Then we just look at what is financial statements. A financial statement or final accounts are the summaries of financial accounts prepared periodically by a business. ഒരു ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ അക്കൗണ്ടൻറ്റ് ഒരുപാട് അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യും. ഈ അക്കൗണ്ടുകളെ പീരിയോഡിക്കലായിട്ട് സമ്മറൈസ് ചെയ്യും. ബാലൻസ് ഷീറ്റ്, പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഓർ ലോസ് അക്കൗണ്ട്, എക്സെട്ര. ഇതാണ് ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റുകൾ. ഇങ്ങനെ പീരിയോഡിക്കലായിട്ട് സമ്മറൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റുകളെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് ഓർ ഫൈനൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ദീസ് ആർ ദി എൻഡ് പ്രോഡക്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്. ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ അക്കൗണ്ടൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന എൻഡ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റുകളാണ്, അയാളുടെ അവസാനത്തെ അക്കൗണ്ടുകളാണ് ഫൈനൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് ഓർ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്സ്. ഇറ്റ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ്സ്, as we know, income statement or statement of profit or loss, statement of retained earnings or statement of changes in equity, owner's equity, then balance sheet or position statement, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, etc. These are the important financial statements in the point of view of a management accountant. Then there are different tools for financial statement analysis. The important tools used are, first one, comparative statements. Comparative, we will discuss all these items in detail in this chapter. Comparative statements are the statements to compare between different years. Then common size statements, another statement. Common size statements are the statements prepared to analyze, to compare different items of a particular financial statement. Common size statement may be common size balance sheet, common size income statement, etc. So different items in a particular financial statement, just like balance sheet, profit loss account, are compared in case of common size statement. Then trend percentages, trend analysis. In case of trend analysis or trend percentage, we are finding the trend of a particular item. For example, trend of sales trend percentage, trend of purchases, trend of cash receipt. We can find trend for every items. So trend percentage is another tool. Then ratio analysis. Ratios are the mathematical relationship between two figures. So we can find the ratio between any of the two figures, ratio between profit and sales, purchase and sales, gross profit and sales, then income and expenditure. We can find different ratios. Ratio analysis is one of the chapter that we have to cover. Then fund flow statement. It analyzes the inflow and outflow of fund here means working capital. So the changes in working capital are analyzed in fund flow statement. This is one of our chapter. And cash flow statement means the inflow and outflow of cash are analyzed, receipt and payment of cash are analyzed. These are some of the tools, and also we have one more tool to analyze, that is our last chapter, cost volume profit analysis or marginal costing. We have to analyze the changes in profit due to changes in volume. We will discuss all these in different chapters. So these are the tools used for financial statement.